Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex Day trade setups for today. So, yep, we got some noise yesterday, which basically weakened the dollar and strengthened the markets. And essentially, what that noise is that we expect interest rates hikes to ease off as early as this month. So that was the noise that came out yesterday, and obviously the market reacted to that. So at the moment, we have a pretty big engulfing bar here. And I just drew this level in as well. It's important to have this 104 in. That has been an area of resistance for some time, or potential resistance, and looking like to see if we can get above that. Now, important to realize that on the monthly, you have an inside bar with a confirmation bar. You do have overhead resistance, and you can see we've got a lot here. Put this one in. So the area that we're in is pretty volatile, and then we have this area here. So trend is still down. There's no two ways about that, but we would expect some kind of a move to the upside now. So let's just get down to the hour. That's what we're really interested in. And we've had for the last couple of days, it's been big up, big down. This is another big up. So what we're looking for is a pullback onto support. The area that we are interested in is right over here. So we're looking for price to come back to 104 and possibly even 103.941. We're looking for price action at that level, and then we're looking for an opportunity to buy. Bear in mind, it is Thursday. There is more data expected today. So your ultimate target is going to be this 105.200 at the moment. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, and you can see we've broken through the range, and this one's pretty clear cut. You're looking for a pullback onto the structure here. I'm just going to use this one. Yeah, let me just do that. So there are a couple of tails in between this area, but that's the zone we need to pay attention to. If we get to the hour, I'm looking for price to come back to 137.539, and I'm just going to fine tune this one, or 137.895. There is a third level here, which is this little tail that we got yesterday. That is 137.661. So I'm looking for a pullback into that area for another opportunity to short. Moving on to the British pound, Japanese yen. No real traction just yet. We're still stuck in this weird range. We're in amongst the moving averages on the 8 hour. There's nothing really brewing on the higher time frames. But if we start drilling down to the lower time frames, you can see yesterday was pretty much above and below the moving averages. So what I would be interested in is that, as well as that. So pullback back up here to 166.034 would get me short, and then I'd also be watching 165.616. We reject that area, then we're also looking for a short. This 165.139 is fairly strong. You can see over the past couple of, this goes back to October, actually, yeah, early October. So that's early October, and look at how we have used this as support. So a breakthrough 165.139 is going to open the floodgates lower. So just pay attention to that. But at the moment, we're above and below the moving averages. So I would just basically play between those levels there. Lastly, Euro British pound, and we've had a drop below the moving averages. We've got to cross over the moving averages, but now we're going sideways. Oscillators are in an area that I'm pretty interested in looking for shorts. And if we just drill down to the hour, what I'd want to see is the 1 hour agreeing with me. But if you look at the price action of the last 2 days, this is not something you want to be trading. So we could get a rejection of this, 0.86335 for a move down, but I'm going to need to see a proper move and then a bit of structure before even trying to get into this. So this one I'm sitting on hands. I'm not interested in trying to second guess this right now. And for as long as we're in amongst moving averages here, this is a dangerous position to try and do a trade. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.